As a pilot, it is important to have a thorough understanding of weight and balance and how both affect your aircraft. Weight is added to your aircraft depending on the number of passengers, amount of baggage, and fuel. The manner in which this weight is distributed will affect your aircraft's balance. Therefore, consideration of these factors is very important before you take off into the air. Keeping this in mind, it is important to calculate the gross takeoff weight of your aircraft during pre-flight checks. This is essential as exceeding the aircraft's maximum takeoff weight given by the manufacturer is very dangerous and can result in severe structural failure, increased likelihood of stalling, and failure to take off. A range of factors can affect your aircraft's actual maximum takeoff weight. Conditions that affect aircraft's takeoff and climb performance, such as high elevations, high temperatures, and high humidity, may require a reduction in weight before takeoff. Gross takeoff weight is calculated by adding the empty weight of the aircraft given by the manufacturer and additional weight of passengers, baggage, and fuel. When we say a plane is balanced, it means that its weight is evenly distributed. If an aircraft is perfectly balanced, it will not experience any moments while on the ground. The moment of a force is a measure of its tendency to cause a body to rotate about a specific axis. This is often called torque. A moment of a force is found by multiplying the weight of an object by its arm. The arm is the distance from the datum line, an imaginary vertical line on the aircraft given by the manufacturer from which all measurements are taken. The moment is positive if it is ahead of the datum and negative if it is aft of it. The centre of gravity is the point about which an aircraft would balance if it were possible to suspend it at that point. It is the mass centre of the entire aircraft, or the theoretical point at which the entire weight of the aircraft is assumed to be concentrated. The centre of gravity is found by determining the weights and arms of all masses within the aircraft. Multiply weights by arms for all masses to calculate moments. Adding the moments together, dividing the total moment by the total weight. Pilots should always be aware of where the aircraft's centre of gravity lies, as that if it is too far forward or aft of the datum line, it carries potential hazards. These include increased likelihood of stalling, extra tail downforce which requires more lift from wings, lower speeds, reduced range, and difficulty in landing as it is more difficult to maintain a stable approach and to keep the nose up when rear wheels touch the runway. The pilot would not be able to safely control the aircraft if the centre of gravity produced an unstable condition.